Everybody, it's Matt at Sparkle Farm. I'm doing an update on my truck right now. Last fall I put snow tires on my factory wheels and they worked great all winter, but spring's here. So I swapped over about a month ago. I found on Craigslist a young guy, he was lifting his 2018 Silverado, putting a lift kit, bigger tires and wheels and everything on it, and he wanted to sell his factory ones with about 10,000 miles on them, the tires. So I got a really good deal on them. I can't complain, but something I found out the other day is the tire pressure sensor doesn't match. You need to reset it. I didn't know about this till I just thought I could do it manually with the computer in the truck. So I went online, actually Amazon, and ordered the tire sensor. I'll put a link to it in the description below of which one I bought. I haven't done it yet. I wanted to show everybody that hopefully it's this easy. So these are the new factory wheels I got. So we're gonna go through the steps and activate it. This is what we got here. So that's, I don't know, seems pretty durable. Comes in a rubber case, but it's just the auto tire pressure sensor monitor. So I read a bunch of the reviews about them. They seem to work, but the trick is you need to put a brand new 9-volt battery in them. So that's what we're gonna do. So I guess people try and use, I hope not ones out of the fire alarm or smoke detector, but we're gonna drop it in and put our cover back on. So this should be good to go. So pull out the manual. So if you got a GM vehicle, this is what it tells you to do. So it's kind of silly, they put it on 2 pages, front and back, not like side to side where it'd be a little easier, but it's not hard. So the first one, push in the parking brake, set it, turn the ignition to just on, don't start it. And being that I already have a fault, my dash says monitor tire service monitor system. So now I have the keyless entry. So now listen. And that tells me it's ready to go. But it gives you all the steps to do if you don't have the remote entry. Alright, so it says start with the driver's side tire. And this is the other part of reading the reviews. So it says, reading the reviews about this. You go right up to the valve stem and you hold it horizontally. And you hold the button in. Sweet. It was really that easy. All right, let's do the other 3. So it just takes longer than you think. It's not instant. So I'm just holding it right up to the valve stem. Sorry, I didn't look at where the camera was aiming. Yep, passenger front. Okay. Yeah, my quarter panel still looks good from when it got fixed. This ain't bad at all if this is all it is. That's all it says to do. Oop. Just wait for it to chirp. And then on this one here, the directions say it'll chirp twice. Nice. So now the next step, we're going to check the dash and make sure it says matching process is no longer active. The tire learning active message on the display will go off, so let's check that. And then the next thing to do is just turn the key off. All right, got you in the truck here. My dash off, and that is it. So I pulled the key out and put the key back in. So it's working. All right, that is way easier than I thought. I think this tool cost like 15 bucks, give or take a buck or so. Like I said, I'll put a link down in to where I bought it off of Amazon. It came in the 2 days Prime, so that worked out great. Yeah, that's about as easy as it gets, everybody. So I'm glad I read the reviews. Put a brand new battery in here. I'm gonna actually take this battery out because I won't be using this again until I put my snow tires on and have to reset it. But yeah, I'm gonna call this a win. Hopefully this video helps out everybody that is struggling with this. Like, that is the first time I've ever done this. The tester, I took the battery out so in case I forget about it, it doesn't corrode in there. But I'm just gonna put this in the toolbox with all the other testers. So this is what's funny about being where we are in the workshop. We have a bird in here, and Honey is so excited. Oh, where is it, girl? So, yeah, I just don't know what to do about this bird. So it is flying right by the ladder right there.